With a possible shift in global food security, I decided to try and improve the amount of food I can produce on my property. One of the things I have decided to try is heating my greenhouse to make it possible to grow cold weather vegetables in the winter. I live in New England, which is located in the northeast portion of North America. Nighttime temperatures in winter average in the mid to low 20s Fahrenheit or negative single digits in Celsius. I built my greenhouse almost 10 years ago. It's actually two relatively cheap 6-foot by 8-foot Palrum greenhouses that I connected back to back on top of raised beds to make it 6 foot by 16 feet. Surprisingly, this greenhouse has survived several hurricanes and major weather events. That said, it's getting a bit leaky when it comes to the wind and rain. Since there is essentially no insulation, my goal was to keep the soil temperature above freezing. This will make it possible to grow vegetables like spinach, broccoli, cabbage, lettuce, radish, and arugula. So I could have electricity, I buried an extension cord up to the greenhouse. Now obviously, I could have electric heaters, but this would be ridiculously expensive since they would essentially run around the clock, and really those would just heat the air, not the soil, which is what I would need to keep the plants alive. Instead, I wanted to use thermal mass to do most of the heavy lifting. So here's what I did. My idea was to hang cheap immersion water heaters inside full water barrels, basically treating the water and the soil like a big heat battery. A thermostat would regulate the temperature so that the heaters weren't running around the clock. The water barrels would be pushed up against the raised beds, thereby transferring heat into the soil. I was able to get 2 water barrels from my local recycling center. You should be able to find these for free or cheap from Craigslist, your local transfer station, or even your local water company. I found the heaters and thermostats on Amazon. I'll put links in the description. And here is the assembled system. You can see I have kale and broccoli growing right now. I have started lettuce and arugula seedlings indoors and will be planting them in the greenhouse soon. I put black contractor's bags over the barrels so that they would absorb more heat during the day and thereby need less energy to keep them warm in the evening. I found a super cheap Bluetooth thermometer so I could check the soil temperature from my house without having to go up to the greenhouse. It took a little trial and error figuring out what temperature the thermostat should turn on the water heaters. Once I had figured that out, the soil consistently stays in the low 40s at night. This is more than enough for hardy winter veggies to stay alive. Overall, I'm happy with the results. Like I said, links to everything I used in the description. Comment if you have questions.